This is Liberty stock number 51362. It is an Engis SPM series model 001016S 6-spindle bore finishing system. Serial number 2000122. It is equipped with a Mitsubishi Meldas M50 CNC control. It has an 8-position rotary table that is currently configured for manual clamping.
It is. We could show that straight away. Here we go. So yeah, that's what that is. And we're currently in the clamp position for auto cycle. That all works. The front end. Take a quick peek at the controller, but we'll come back around to that. Go around the back side as you come around. If you want to work your way back from the coolant system, the filters over there. And then come around the air package as you go. We got air package, that's SMC air package for the, obviously the counterbalance cylinders. Air index is in there. Control transformers. Come around top side. We got books, schematics. It's a good book. And the thumb drive, I think, just duplicates the book. And inside the cabinet, currently running. Got the servo drive down low. Next to it is the spindle drive. And of course the controller up here, the 50. More documentation on the door. I didn't see that. Got a lot of documentation for this machine. Pretty good. And that said, you got the downstairs, down low. You can take a quick look at the air package maybe. It's just a 1 4-way on there for the, if it is even a 4-way, for the air index motor and clamping. You have the air clamping on here. I believe it's still circuited for it. That said, you can take a look at the machine. It does have the overload prox discs on there, and they work. They all have to be lit up for this thing to run an auto cycle. Then you come on over to the screen. There's the main page right there. We can just show a couple of them here. The menu is pretty straightforward for what we're doing here. Coolant comes on, spindle drive. We've got a single index select on here. Not much going on right here. I think that's the only page, isn't it? Yeah, there's nothing else on here. So this is part of the setup here. And as we go over, you got tool parameter page, tool offsets, MDI. We're not doing anything in there. Diagnostics. We're on feed hold. I think we're in good max, slide and max return position. And lastly, there's the program. I think we're good to go here. We'll just back out and we'll run one up front maybe with the main page. And I'll try and hit auto cycle with the dual palms. Let's see what we got. Set up pretty good. Slow speed, slow entry, then it kind of speeds up a little bit. Spindle changes, there you go. We'll run one more after this. And you got time to glance over to the screen probably to show the feed a little bit. It's moving along. There's the program, there's the feed. Rapid return, and let's do one more. As soon as the compressor shuts off, we'll do another run. Here we go. Let's hit it. You good?
Yep.
If you just while it's running, just try to show the air motor. It's right down here. That's what you're hearing, the loud air motor. This thing just zips right along, so yeah. much it, Sean. We're good to go here. Pulse generator works, everything works fine. Return works. It's a good running unit.